When I added this powder to the dish soap, I was genuinely amazed. Not only does it clean surfaces and dishes much more effectively, but it also leaves the entire house smelling fresh and inviting for weeks. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a top-notch, improved cleaning solution that works wonders, and I'll share a few additional tricks that many people have never heard of. The best part? You'll only need a handful of ingredients that you probably already have in your home, so there's no need to go shopping for anything fancy. The first ingredient is a fresh lemon, which we'll cut in half and squeeze. Friends, I'd love it if you could share where you're watching from. I always enjoy connecting with people from all around the world. Thank you. I personally use an electric juicer because it makes the process so much faster and easier, but you can use any method that works for you. Once we have the fresh lemon juice, it's important to strain it to remove any seeds or pulp. Lemon juice is a fantastic natural cleaner because its acidity helps break down limescale, grease, and stubborn stains, making surfaces sparkle with minimal effort. Next, add 50 milliliters of dish soap. Any brand will work, even the most budget-friendly options. If you enjoy practical tips like this, please consider giving the video a like. It really helps us create more content. Thank you. Now, add 1 tablespoon of regular salt and give it a gentle stir. Salt is an excellent natural abrasive that scrubs away stubborn grime without scratching delicate surfaces. It also absorbs excess moisture and neutralizes odors, which makes a helpful ingredient not only for cleaning, but also for deodorizing and lightly disinfecting. This simple addition already makes a noticeable difference in how well the mixture cleans. The next ingredient, which is also key for other tricks later on, is cinnamon. We'll grind it into a fine powder using a spice mill. Pre-ground cinnamon works as well, but freshly ground powder is more potent and has stronger natural properties. Cinnamon is great for cleaning because it has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties that help disinfect surfaces. Its fine texture can also act as a gentle abrasive, removing dirt and grime without scratching. Additionally, cinnamon leaves a pleasant, fresh scent while helping to reduce odors around the home. Add the cinnamon powder to 300 milliliters of hot water. Stir thoroughly and let it sit for a few hours to fully infuse and dissolve. After a few hours, strain the mixture to remove any residue, leaving a clear, fragrant liquid that can be reused multiple times. Friends, we would be happy if you subscribe to our channel. It's completely free, and we bring you the best advice every day. Thank you. Pour half of the cinnamon water into the soap mixture and mix well. Just like that, you create a premium cleaning solution suitable for dishes, bathrooms, tiles, and virtually any other surface. Combining natural ingredients with dish soap amplifies its effectiveness, making it much more efficient at tackling grease, limescale, and bacteria. Not only does this blend clean and disinfect more thoroughly, but also leaves behind a long-lasting fresh scent and forms a protective layer that slows down the accumulation of dirt. This is why this natural mixture is both a healthier and more practical alternative to regular dish soap. Take a simple plastic bottle and carefully punch a hole in the top. Fill the bottle with this mixture, apply it to surfaces, scrub lightly, and rinse with water. You'll be amazed at how long the fresh scent lasts and how sparkling everything looks. You can clean sinks, tiles, dishes, and all similar surfaces. Now, I'll show you how to reuse the cinnamon water for additional purposes. But first, we need to prepare a few more ingredients. In 300 milliliters of hot water, add a small amount of lavender or mint tea. Stir it well and let it steep for a few hours. Then strain it. Add a little cinnamon water and a few tablespoons of vinegar or fresh lemon juice. Mix thoroughly and pour it into a spray bottle. This creates a natural, effective repellent against mosquitoes, ants, and other insects. You can spray it on surfaces around the house or even lightly on your skin. The insects won't come near. This is a much safer and eco-friendly alternative to chemical repellents. Plus, you can even use this mixture to clean your floors, leaving them fresh and safe for pets and children. Finally, let me show you how to make a natural window cleaner that keeps dust away for weeks. It may sound unbelievable, but it really works. Ordinary smudges and fingerprints can be removed with warm water and a little dish soap, but the shine disappears quickly. Within just a few days, the glass looks dull again, which is frustrating for anyone who loves sparkling windows. If you want your windows to stay clean much longer, pharmaceutical glycerin is the key. You can easily buy it at any pharmacy for only a few euros. Just 60 grams can completely transform the way you maintain glass surfaces. When applied to windows, the mixture of water and glycerin leaves a thin, invisible protective layer that significantly slows down the accumulation of dust and grease. By adding another powerful ingredient, the cleaning effect becomes even more impressive. In a liter of warm water, add a few drops or 1 tablespoon of glycerin, then 100 milliliters of rubbing alcohol vinegar, and mix well. Pour the solution into a spray bottle, and you're ready to clean. Vinegar is excellent for cleaning windows because its natural acidity dissolves grease, smudges, and mineral deposits, leaving glass sparkling clear. Glycerin adds a thin, invisible protective layer that slows down dust and dirt from settling on the surface. Together, they create a long-lasting finish that keeps windows cleaner for weeks while also disinfecting and maintaining shine. This combination not only prevents glass from getting dirty quickly, but also thoroughly removes grease while disinfecting the surface. The result is sparkling, streak-free windows that stay clean far longer than when using ordinary cleaning products. Be sure to share this trick with friends so they can discover how long their windows can stay shiny too. Try it out yourself and enjoy long-lasting cleanliness throughout your home. See you in the next video.